Hi everyone, this beautiful dress design you can use in the different ways, like for summer dress or for maternity dress, whatever design you want. So here I just need 15 inches the width of my fabric, and I will fold here 3 inches as you can see, and the length of fabric is here 35, but it depends. If you want the full length you can make it as a full. So I just mark here the shoulder line, that is here 7.5 inches. Then 7.5 inches I also mark my armhole line, and now I'm going to mark my chest line. That is you can just divide your chest by 4. If you are absolute beginner, you can check in my playlist that how you can take your own measurement and you can calculate your measurement for all these lines. So now after marking the waistline, I'm marking here the hip line, and then I will join all these lines. And as you guys can see that my marking is also on that 3 inches fold. So after that we will turn that fold into a box plate. So I will show you how you can make this. So now it's time to mark the shoulder line. I just mark here 1 inch down on the shoulder line, and then I just mark ½ inch outside, and then just join these lines. That's how you can mark. And now it's time to cut our dress. Then I will show you how you can do the neckline and finish this dress. Now from center towards this side I'm marking that 3 inches that we just take the extra, and 8 inches down I'm just marking here. So this type of rectangle shape we need here. And now I'm going to stitch this straight line only, and then you can see this is the effect. So this box plate will come in the center of your dress. So properly press it, and then we will start the neckline. So for neckline I need this paper pasting or buckram or fusible interfacing, and now I'm just marking here. So if you want your neckline 6 by 6 inches, you can take 1 inch extra all the way, and in the center I just mark here the design, whatever design you want here, and then I will cut the extra according to the design. I will just keep 1 inch extra, and then I will cut this line. And after that I will place this pasting on a piece of fabric and just iron it so it will stick with your fabric. And then again I need here 0.75 inch extra for the turning, and then I will cut this. And after that I will place this on the right side of my dress, but before that I will just fold all the fabric and then stitch it, and also mark the curves, and then just stitch. So guys, I just placed my neckline on the wrong side of fabric and just turn it on the right side to make this design. Now it's time to stitch the back neckline. So I just mark here by leaving a half inch inside, and the depth is totally depend on your choice. I don't want very deep on the back, so I just cut here almost 2 inch deep. Now I'm cutting just a piece for the binding this neckline. Now after finishing the back neckline, also now I'm just putting my back side on the front, and I will stitch the shoulder first and then this side lines or fitting lines. So now it's time to make the sleeve design. So I just take this piece of fabric, and this is on 4-fold. Now I'm just marking here 3 inches down, that is standard, and after that I will mark this slant line, that is chest divided by 4. Whatever is your chest, you can just divide by 4 and mark this slant line. And now this is the fitting line of my sleeve, and here I just mark 1 inch and will give here a curved shape. If you are absolute beginner, you can check my playlist, dressmaking for beginners. I already uploaded a very detailed tutorial for the beginners. Now I'm just going to cut this, and after that I will show you how we can turn this into a beautiful design. So now here I just fold it here this way, and now just I need this elastic and pin. So I just mark here and see I need this pin, and I will insert elastic into this and will stitch from the side. Now it's time to attach the sleeve. I'm just cutting here 1/2 inch deep for the fitting purpose only in the front, and my dress is on the wrong side and my sleeve is on the right side, and also just trim 1/2 inch on the sleeve as well. And as you can see, I just insert my sleeve into my dress and just attach this side fitting with the side fitting. The center of the sleeve, just mark here the center and center of the sleeve with your shoulder, pin up it properly, and the rest of fabric also you need to pin up, and then we will start stitching. And don't stretch this too much, because the fabric is already in curve shape, so it is very stretchy at this time. So handle this very carefully. Now remove this part for your armhole stitching, and then just stitch all this round. Now it's time to fold the hemline. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. And please hit the like button if you really like this video, and let me know in the comments what dress you want to learn next. And this is the final look, and this is very comfortable dress if you really don't like the fitted type of dresses, or if you are pregnant or in a summer season. A perfect design. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.